Alright, I'm going to walk you through how to create your bedroom on Homestyler. So first I would start by drawing a room, doing the rectangle. Now if you have more of a rectangular room, this is the perfect tool for you. You can see the blue one right now is highlighted. What I can do is type on my keyboard, so if my room is 8 feet, 3 inches, I can type it in and hit enter. And then it goes to the next one. Let's say the other width of my room is 10 feet, 4 inches. And then I hit enter. It's going to make the room the exact size that I need it to be. Now let's say my closet is off of this side. I'm going to use the rectangle tool as well. Start from the corner. And again, add in my dimensions of my closet. Say my closet is 3 feet, 1 inch. Enter. By 2 feet, 3 inches. Enter. Okay, there's my little closet off the side. I'm going to come back in and add a door later. Now if you have a bedroom that is a little bit different shaped, then you're going to use the by center and then try your best to add in kind of the design of your room. So a lot of rooms sometimes have like a weird bump out if you have like an exterior corner room. Okay. So you'll use the by center to draw those. After you have the basis of your room built, then you're going to go to Model Library. You're going to go to Structure, Doors, Swing doors will be your doors to your room. So find one that looks close to your room and place it where it goes. Then you're going to use flip to kind of turn it so it opens the correct way. Then you can edit your door on the right hand side here based on the width, the height, and that sort of stuff, those measurements that you took. If you are looking for closet doors, that'll be under folding doors, okay? And choose one that looks like the closet. And again, you're going to want to look at your 3D model to see where it's opening up. Right now they're opening up pretty good into my closet in that room. I'm going to go back to my 2D view here. If you want to ever enter the length of your walls, you can click the walls. Okay. You do have to have a wall in there for where you enter your closet in. Then you're going to go to Structure, Windows. Find a window that looks like yours. Probably just a standard window in most of your rooms. And then add your windows in. Get them kind of close. Now you, again, can edit your window. If you go to the 3D view, you can kind of move it around where you want it to go. You can also use the arrows on your keypad to kind of move them up and down. You can edit the width of your window if you have a little bit wider, using those dimensions that you took of your bedroom. You can adjust the height, and you can adjust the depth. Depth you don't really need to touch. Again, if you make a mistake, just undo. Elevation, you can move it up and down, or you can just click on your wall here and move it. Okay. To edit your floor in your room, you're going to go to Finish, Floor. Find one that looks close. If you go to wall-to-wall carpets that has more carpet options, that you might be able to find something closer to the carpet in your room. So for example, I'm just going down here. There's a gray. There's my gray carpet in the room. Now whatever you add to your main room, you also have to do to your closet. Most of the time your closet will have the same carpet as the main room. Okay? Catalog is where all of our furniture is. Now again, when I'm on the left here, I'm just hovering, I'm not clicking. So I'm going to go to Bedroom. So there's beds, single beds, kids beds. Just try and find a bed that's close to what yours looks like. Okay, whether it's a twin, single, queen, double, that sort of stuff. You can also use the search here to search beds. Sometimes it doesn't always find one that you're looking for. Twin might be single for them in here. So here's the single beds, and I'm going to place my bed in my room. Okay. After I've placed a bed, again, if I go to the 2D view, that makes it a little bit easier. I can rotate the bed around and I can move it. Okay. If I go to finish, catalog, bedroom, there's night tables. I can add a night table that looks close to the one that's in my room right now. Saying you guys in your room. I can rotate around. Okay. You can also add, I'm going to check my 3D view to make sure it looks like how it's looking. I can add, if I go down here on the left, there's chairs and desks. You can add paintings to the walls. Okay, if this screen ever pops up, that means it's a paid thing and you need to go to the next one and choose a different one. Okay, so maybe I add a painting to my wall that looks similar. Okay, I'm going to paint my walls, so if I go to finish, color, choose a color that's close to the wall color in your room, and then paint it. It'll paint the whole room. If you have a customized accent wall in your room though, you'll click on that wall, click Customize Wall, come to Material, Wall Material, okay, and then you've got Color, and you can choose a color that's close to it, whatever your accent wall is, and then it'll paint that wall that color. You can also divide walls in half, so if you have a wall that's half colored, you can go to Customize Wall, or you can take your line and draw a line across, and then you can find the color that goes on top, and then the color that goes on the bottom, and then complete, and then it's a wall that's two colors. When you're completely done, watch the rendered video for how to render your images to turn them in.